Well, that was literally 3 inches off the bank and I just missed it. Nothing gets the blood flowing quite like a miss on bite at 6 a.m. in the morning. Well, look who decided to turn into the video today. What's going on, guys? Your boy TrollsAlmighty here, and I hope you guys are having a superb Sunday. Today, we're going to be bank fishing at the Norton Reservoir. The water is really low and really clear. And we have 2 objectives for today's fishing mission. Today, we are going to be trying to get not only my personal best largemouth, but we're also going to try to catch a fish on the Googan Baits Bandito Bug. Right now I'm throwing the Whopper Plopper on a 5'6" Bill Dance medium light pole. It's in the rainbow trout color. I would be throwing my bluegill color here. It's actually technically a sunfish, but they actually stock this place with trout and some rainbow trout. So hopefully they'll see this on the top water and want to come up and nab on it. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and catch some fish. I'm throwing this Bandito Bug on a shutterbait. I've never actually used one of these before, but the motion is sick and I can actually feel the vibrations. It feels awesome. Wow, that looks amazing in the water. And I'm throwing that on a 6'6" Bill Dance medium pole. Alrighty, moving on. So in order to complete those 2 objectives, what I'm gonna do is just work my way around this bank. Hopefully we can get some bites pretty soon. I know there are some pretty big fish in here. Oh, this has to happen. Oh yes. If that's not a fish, I don't know what is. Apparently there aren't any bass over here. Extremely surprising. Like I said earlier, it is now, well, so I got here around 6, but it is now around 7 in the morning. It's actually really cool. I think my best bet is gonna be at the bottom of this dam. The water should be really low and really clear, and that's where most of the big fish are gonna be anyway. Hopefully by the time it gets a little bit brighter, we'll be able to see more into the water, and that'll make for some really cool videos. But in order to do that, we've got to catch some fish, so let's get to it. I can already feel it starting to warm up, which I'm okay with because I'm in shorts and a short sleeve shirt right now. I don't even see any fish over here, not even bait fish. Yeah, I don't like that there's no bait fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep on moving down. I've actually never fished from that spot before though, so that's pretty cool. Oh my God, this is so low. I wonder how long it's been like this. Usually there's water all the way up to here where I'm standing. Wow, this is insane. Oh, I don't want to walk through this, but I need to because I'm gonna fall if I don't. Oh, there's already mud in my Crocs. So much mud. I'm finally down at the bottom. I see a bass right here in front of me. Let's see if we can get him to hit. He might be able to. That is a huge largemouth. Oh my God, I would be so happy to pull that thing in. He's still right in front of me. He's looking for it. There's like 3 largemouth in front of me. I can't even breathe. Holy shit, there are 3. Good largemouth in front of me. He's still circling. Oh my God, if I catch this fish, I'm gonna die. He's such a nice fish. Oh, and they're chasing again. They chased all the way to the bank. I just need to breathe. I had another largemouth chase. This is just crazy. That is a good one. That is a good one. Come on, buddy. See it and come take it. There are like 4 or 5 largemouth in front of me. I'm gonna go down here this way and cast across this bank. That's where they're all sitting. That's such a nice fish. I had like 2 or 3 chasing. There's like 3 in front of me right now. Throw it out there. That seems to be where they're all at. They're all chasing from that area. Come on, Whopper Plopper. Don't fail me now. I wonder if he sees me. He's looking like right at me. That's such a good fish. He's so pretty too. I mean, you don't really see a lot of pretty largemouth, but that is just a beautiful fish. I just missed a bite. He just came up and missed it. Oh my God, I wasn't even looking at my lure. Well, I think I found where they're sitting. Right here, I know you guys can't see it under the water and you may not even be able to see it on the GoPro, but it comes and then it suddenly just drops off right here. And I'm just casting along that drop off where that sandbar is. Put it over there again. See if he wants it again. Maybe he'll actually take it this time. That's a nice largie. Well guys, we already missed 1 bite on the Whopper, so what I think I'm gonna do is actually put the Bandito Bug in here and see if they're willing to bite that. Crazy thing is I've only gotten 1 bite on the Whopper. Holy shit, the big one was right here. No way. No fucking way. Oh my God. What a fish. Oh my God. I saw him take this right in front of me. Oh my God. He's so big. Oh my God. He wanted it. He wanted it. What a fucking toad, boys. What a toad. I don't know if this is my personal best, but I'm 100% going to get the scale right now. Oh my God, let's go. He wanted that Bandito Bug. That was first cast with the Bandito Bug. He is 1 pound, 12 ounces. My God, what a freaking toad though. Look at him. Oh, he's so big. I've got to get a release video of this guy. Man, he wanted that Bandito Bug. Oh man. take a look at that mouth. Oh my God, what a fish, boys. What a freaking fish. Let's get the thumbnail really quick right here. All right, let's get a release video of this guy. That was amazing. And there he freaking goes. Oh my God, what a way. That was my first fish of the day. Well, John B, I hope you're proud of me. I spent $70 on Googan Baits, so if it didn't get me a fish, that was just wasted money. But it did, so. And it got me a freaking toad. First fish of the day. Wow. Let me show you guys what I caught that on. The Bandito Bug on the shutterbait. Oh, I'm just so happy. What a freaking fish, man. The day's not over yet though, boys. There's another largemouth right in front of me. That fish would have been a little more healthy. Man, I can't even imagine what he would have weighed. He was so big. Let's see if we can get another one on the good old Googan Baits, boys. This little bass started to come for it. I'm gonna put it out in front of him, see if he'll take it. That fish I caught at the dam was 100% one of the coolest. Actually, I'll say 100% is the coolest catch I've ever had. But man, that was so cool. He was literally like 5 feet in front of me. I just cast it in front of him. He just took it. That was so cool. Unfortunately, ever since I fell in trying to get a release video of that guy, I have not seen any bass. Well, as soon as I said that, I saw a bass patrolling right here. I was about to say, I haven't seen any bass patrolling this bank, and then there are 2 largies sitting right in front of me. Alrighty, we're gonna bring them back in. Oh, wow, I was about to say, they might have just come in for this. I'm gonna put this out in front of them, see if they'll take it. This shutterbait is like a chatterbait on crack. It's insane. Unfortunately, although the fishing is pretty good right now, my GoPro battery is dying. So not only do I have to walk up this giant hill, I've got to walk all the way over there to where that boat ramp is, then walk up another hill. So let's get it done, boys. Well, the good news is that we've already checked off one of the objectives for today. Now we just need a PB. I also want to get one on the Whopper. I just want a big one to come up and mack it and just bring it in. I love catching fish on this thing. So I'm thinking I'm going to sit here for about 10 more minutes if I don't see any action. And then I'm going to start moving down to the other side of this reservoir. There's actually another dam down there, so hopefully there's be some big fish down there as well. I'm actually really surprised I haven't got a hookup with this thing yet. I had so many largemouth chasing it. We'll get about 5 more and then we're going to move on down. I haven't seen any fish patrolling in just a little bit either. And I really haven't actually seen any this time. And no chases either. I really just haven't seen any fish here. All right, no bites, no chases. So let's go ahead and move on down. Just to put it into perspective, this is where the water usually is. I mean, this water is extremely low right now. Well, no action on the Whopper for some reason, but let's go ahead and try this Bandito Bug right here. I love the way this Bandito Bug looks. Unfortunately, the fishing has kind of slowed down, guys. I thought I felt something on it. Good old weed fish. Boy, I didn't miss you. No action though, so I think I'm gonna move down again. Oh, there's a huge drop off right here to my left. I have actually seen bass again. Here's one right here in front of me. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even know this was here. I thought fish might be around here, not only because of the trees overhanging, but the fact that there are rocks underneath me. They're gonna know these rocks are here when the water's up, and they're gonna sit between these rocks. I'm gonna have to put that Bandito Bug against that wall and see if there are any fish there. This is what I thought would kill today, but I've seen no action since earlier this morning. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go down the actual reservoir itself. It's shallow, yeah, but the banks are really, really steep and so muddy. But we'll give it a few more casts and see what we can get. I love the action on this shutterbait. The only thing that I think could cause a problem is that big blade. I guess it's called a blade, I'm not really sure. The only thing I would worry about is fish being able to see this, but it is translucent, so that should help. I think we're gonna give it 5 more casts though, and then we're gonna work our way back up to the car. Alrighty, last one. Oh, big rip. I'm gonna let this one sink too, so it goes closer to the bottom. Alrighty, let's head back up. There's a fish right in front of me that looks so unique. So we are at the next spot. I've actually found this spot on Google Maps. The water clarity in this place is just absolutely amazing. I've already seen a few bass, so that's a really good sign. That's another fish. Golden eyes. So the plan is, I've never really fished this spot, so what I'm just gonna do is bring the Whopper and the Googan Baits Bandito Bug. I'm just gonna slowly work my way around this bank and hopefully we can get some fish. Well, that lasted about a total of 2 seconds before I got kicked out. I know it didn't make the cut for the video, but that's actually what happened in my Google Maps challenge. I'll go ahead and show you guys some of that right now. Yes. Oh, really?
Absolutely not.
Oh, okay, I'm very sorry. I'll leave.
What's your name?
Logan. I'm very sorry, I had no idea.
Posted.
Oh, I didn't see it, I'm sorry. Where is it posted at?
Right there where you were, on the dock.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll be happy to leave. I had no idea. I'm very sorry. So we're gonna have to figure something else out. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't want to end this episode with just one fish. I mean, yeah, toad, but the guy that just came and talked to me said that all of this is private. and unfortunately, they own about everything around here. So we're gonna have to take another look at the maps of Google.
Head northwest.
Well, boys, that's what we like to call a waste of gas. Of course, I would fall in love with the Whopper Plopper right before fall starts. Look at this. Look at this. This place looks pretty fishy. Sadly, I do not see us staying here much longer. Now this place looks like the spot, boys. There are so many weed beds in this. So unfortunately, I won't be able to use the Bandito Bug here, but I can throw my favorite lure of all time, the Whopper freaking Plopper. All it takes, I've said this so many times, but literally all it takes is just one little blade of grass, and it fucks the entire action on this thing. So I've been casting at this bass for like 20 minutes and he hasn't hit this Whopper Plopper, but he's just sitting here. I can still see him. I'm gonna put this Bandito Bug right in front of him and see if he'll hit it. And he should. I would have to fucking fall down. I'm gonna try to get it one good heave right up next to that log. As much as I like this little spot, I can only cast from this area. And I've watched fish look at my lure for like the past 20 minutes. So let's give it a few more casts. See if we can catch a fish. If we can't, then we're gonna go ahead and move down. Now you're just looking for an easy meal. Why don't you take the Whopper? America's favorite burger and lure. It's pretty annoying you guys will fucking chase the Whopper and not hit it. Why couldn't that fish just have taken this fucking Bandito Bug when it was supposed to? Huh? You know what? I'm gonna chuck the Bandito Bug way out there and see what we can get. All right, last cast at this stupid spot where fish will watch your lure but not hit it.
Encore.
Do I have a fish on? No way I have a fish on. Are you kidding me? All you have to do is say last cast, and guess what? You will catch a fish. He is doing a beeline straight to that tree trunk. Oh, there's an even bigger one right here. Come here, big guy. What a little chunk, dude. What a healthy little fish. That looks like a smallmouth. No way that's a smallmouth. No, that's a largie. Wow. What a freaking chunk, though. Look at him. Look at how fat he is. I mean, he is just a girthy little shit. He's really cold, too. Look at him. He's got the spines up and everything. Here's a mouth view of him for you guys. Well, finally, it took us only, oh, I don't know, 40 minutes to catch this fish. But man, hey, that's a fish, baby. I'm just going to chuck him this way. See you later, pal. Of course, I wasn't recording, but take a look at this big guy. Oh, he's so cute. But it's all about the angle. I mean, he looks like a monster right here. All right, let's get a release video of him. He came up and said hello to the Whopper Plopper. All right, we're gonna give it 4 more with the Whopper Plopper, and then we are leaving this spot because I've already spent way too much time here. All right, boys. Well, we are calling it quits for the spot and seeing what we're gonna do next. I really don't know. Got no vision, no plan for the video. We're just winging it. Well, boys, to finish out the video, because this video is extremely long, we are on the old stomping grounds of the college. This is right behind the Convocation Center. It's pretty weed ridden. First 2 casts have been only weeds. That's always a good way to start, and I guarantee it's wrapped around itself. Guess what? Forking weeds. Man, this is just a cancer. I'm even on the top water. Well, we're gonna go ahead and switch over to the Bandito Bug because I've only gotten weeds this whole time. Okay, well, instead of switching to the Bandito Bug, I vote we move. There's gotta be a bass under here. Well, guys, I've walked around this entire lake basically, and I'm thinking it's gonna be a bust. It's a real shame, but at least we can finish out the video without a fish, right? Also haven't seen any bass this entire time I've been walking. Really bad sign. I can almost guarantee that there are bass in here, but they're gonna be underneath the weeds, and unless I have a frog, this is what this whole trip around this lake has been like. This right here, what you're seeing right now. Well, it's a shame we have to call it here with no fish. On the old stomping ground too, that really sucks. But at least we caught a toad this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I'll see you guys in the next one.